Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to create a system restore point in Windows so you can easily restore your PC if anything goes wrong. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and type Create Restore Point. Then click on the first result. This will open System Properties window. Under the System Protection tab, look for C drive. Remember, instead of C drive of mine, you have to look for whichever drive Windows is installed on. Make sure protection is on for this drive. If it's off, select the drive and click Configure and turn on the system protection. Set the max usage to a reasonable amount like 5%. Then click Apply and OK. Now click on Create at the bottom. A small window will pop up asking you to name your restore point. Give it a name like Before Update or System Backup. Then click Create. It will take a few moments to create the restore point. Once it's done, you will see a message saying the restore point was created successfully. That's it. You have successfully created a system restore point. If something goes wrong in the future, you can easily restore your system back to this point. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more quick tech tutorials. See you next time.